Olawale Ashimi, who prefers to be called Olawale Oloforo and popularly known by stage name as Brymo, is a famous Nigerian singer, songwriter, recording artist, stage performer, and a composer. He was born on 9th May 1986 in Okokomioko, Ojo, Lagos State, in the southwestern part of Nigeria. He is currently 31 years old. His father is an Awori carpenter and his mother is an Egon petty trader. Brymo grew up in a poor family and a ghetto environment. He is the only child of his parents. Brymo grew up in a multi-faith household and learned to recite the entire Quran after being placed in an Islamic school. He attended Aganjo Aka Primary School in Okokomioko in Ojo, Lagos State, Nigeria, and later completed his primary school education at Japua Primary School in Okokomioko, Ojo, Lagos State, Nigeria, and obtained his first school leaving certificate. After which he completed his secondary school education in Okokomioko, Ojo, Lagos State, Nigeria, and obtained his West African Senior School certificate. Brymo was quite troublesome while growing up and got into numerous fights with other kids from his neighborhood. He initially had interest in playing football after completing his secondary school education. In 1999, he recorded his first song in a studio while in secondary school and titled it Future. In 2002, Brymo and a few of his friends formed a group called The Alliance. Between 2004 and 2005, the group started having problems and eventually disbanded in 2005. Brymo was inspired to create music after listening to his mother sing along to numerous Fuji songs. After completing his primary and secondary school education, Brymo gained admission to Lagos State University, LASU, to study zoology. Unfortunately, he dropped out of Lagos State University, LASU after his first year to pursue a musical career. He started recording his music in 1999 while still in secondary school. In 2010, he signed a recording contract with Chocolate City but breached his contractual agreement with the label in 2013. Brymo released his first debut studio album, Brimstone, in 2007. His second studio album, The Son of a Carpenter, was released in 2012. Brymo became a celebrity after releasing his hit single, Oleku, featuring Ice Prince, which currently has 3.2 million views on YouTube. His second studio album had hit singles like Ara and Good Morning. Brymo's third studio album, Meccan Dealers and Slave, was released on 20 October 2013. It received generally positive reviews from music critics and had hit singles like Down and Echo. On 30 October 2014, Brymo released his first studio album, Tabula Rasa, with hit singles like Femi, which was described by music critics as a soft traditional ballad. On 8 December 2015, Brymo released an 8-track compilation album titled Trance. In 2015, Brymo signed an international distribution deal with Tate Music Group. On 9th May 2016, Brymo released his 5th studio album Clitoris, which comprises of 11 tracks and had Happy Memories as its lead hit single. Brymo music is a mixture of Fuji, R&B, pop and rock. In an interview with the media, Brymo stated that his music can easily be called pop due to its ability of getting across to the people. Brymo's third album, Meccan Dealers and Slaves, and his fourth album, Tabula Rasa, have addressed social injustice and chaos that are prevalent in Nigerian society. In a 2016 interview with OK Africa, Brymo was quoted as saying, "Although my songs reflect many issues which are relevant in my society, I believe that human relations are the site to where all issues emerge." Brymo has a son named Waju Ashimi from one of his baby mama who was born on 27th March 2015. Out of excitement, Brymo uploaded pictures of Waju onto his Instagram account for the first time on 12th November 2015. Brymo is currently one of the richest and most influential artists in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of $3.5 million.